Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've protected this 2021 Range Rover Evoque with another halo system. So this protects the car from obviously the relay attack, key cloning. If they were to try it, it's going to start up, they select a gear, it's going to switch off. So if we select our gear now, you watch the clocks, put it into reverse or drive, the car cuts out, silent immobilisation. If they're silly enough to try again, try and start this vehicle up, what will happen, they start it up, they select their gear, the horn goes absolutely mad, and the only way to silence it is with the Bluetooth phone or the code. So we select our gear, horn goes mad as you can hear, pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, double bleep disarms the system. Customer can obviously choose their code for this vehicle. They can set it all the way to 21 presses, as many buttons as they want that are supported, in any order they want, so it's totally up to them what they choose. If they want to drive it normally, they'll start the vehicle up, put in the push sequence they've chosen, 1, 2, 3 we have set on this vehicle. Here our double bleep, we can select our gear. There we go, the vehicle doesn't stall out. If they're not a fan of PIN codes and they want to just use their phone, keep it simple as possible, we'll turn the Bluetooth on. Got our Bluetooth on, it'd be locked in our pocket. All we got to do, hop in the vehicle, start it up. We get our double bleep to confirm it's disarmed. Now we'll select our gear, we can drive away, no need for a code. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is the Halo. If someone tries to attack the vehicle, protects it against key cloning, relay attack, plug-in devices, and the horn goes mad if they attempt it on a second time. We're Immobiliser Fit, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.